Most piano students memorize different fingerings for every scale. But I recently discovered there's a secret pattern that links together 6 scales with one pattern. And once you see it, you'll never see these scales the same way again. For these scale secrets to work, you first need to know the hand shapes. So if you haven't already, check out my videos on hand shapes for flats. I spent hours looking over these scales trying to figure out if there was some way to connect them, and when I finally figured it out, I wanted to shout Eureka! Here's the first part of a secret. If you're playing a flat key scale, your thumb always lands on F and C, going up and down. This is going to apply to every scale starting on a black note and F major because it has one flat. Let's test it out. Starting on F major, remember we have just the one flat. Thumb on F, thumb on C, thumb on C, thumb on F. Our 2 flat shape. Now we'll introduce a new rule. If there's a flat in the name of the key, you start on a 2 finger. So here we are, B flat, thumb on C, and then thumb on F, and there we have it. 3 flats. Let's do our hand shape. We are starting on E flat, that's our key. Start on a 2 finger, go to F, that's a thumb, C on a thumb, and then we finish up. C on a thumb, now we're going to cross over, thumb on F, and finish up on our 2. A flat, the name of the key has a flat in it, so we're going to start on a 2 finger. C, so now we're going to come over with our 1. F, we're going to come over with our 1. F, crossover to C with our 1, and on our 2 finger. 5 flats. Start on a 2, come to 1 on F, come to 1 on C, and then back down. Now, last key that we're going to cover is G flat, also known as F sharp. We haven't learned a hand shape for this, but really it has the same flats, just one extra. Your C flat, which is a B natural. I know, weird. I hate it too, but it is what it is. The thumb on C still applies, it's just now thumb on C flat. So it'd look like this. Start on a 2 finger, thumb under on your C flat, thumb under on F, land back on your 2. Instead of having to memorize 6 scales, you now have one pattern for them all. These 6 scales are only half of the story. The other major scales on white keys follow a different pattern. If you'd like to learn that pattern, watch my sharp key scale lessons next.